Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set live wallpaper and animated desktop background in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for set live wallpaper in your Windows 11. You can see my Windows 11 desktop now it's appear live animated wallpaper. Whenever I'm just moving my mouse, it's this changing new color or new live wallpaper, which is really very interesting. So if you want to do these things in your desktop or laptop, you can easily do that. For that, you need to open your Windows 11 Microsoft Store. So you're going to go search over there and then type here store, and then you're going to find here Microsoft Store. After open this Microsoft Store, you need to or search in the search bar L Lively, and then you're going to find here something say lively wallpaper. Simply download and it's going to be automatically installed in your PC or laptop. And after that, you're going to see your lively wallpaper going to be appear or it's going to be appear in your desktop. So for example, this is the lively wallpaper interface, how it looks like, and you can easily choose any lively wallpaper. Now you can see it's appear new wallpaper in my desktop, which is really quite interesting. So from here there's a bunch of wallpaper available. You can easily choose any of them in your Windows 11 and make your Windows 11 more attractive. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.